Today, I'm challenging myself to create some amazing music beats using Edius 11, and I want you to see if I can pull it off by 2025. Edius 11 is a powerhouse of a software that's often overlooked when it comes to music production, but trust me, it has some incredible features that can help you create some amazing beats. From its intuitive interface to its vast library of effects and samples, Edius 11 has everything you need to take your music to the next level. When it comes to music production, one of the biggest challenges producers face is complexity. So many software programs out there claim to be easy to use, but let's be real, they can be super overwhelming, especially for beginners. You've got a million different windows and menus to navigate, and before you know it, you've spent hours just trying to figure out how to use the thing, let alone actually make some music. Another challenge is the steep learning curve. You've got to invest so much time and effort into learning the ins and outs of the software, and even then, you're not guaranteed to get the results you want. It's frustrating, to say the least. And then there's the issue of cost. So many music production software programs out there are super expensive, and it can be really hard to justify the cost, especially if you're just starting out. You've got to weigh the cost against the potential benefits, and sometimes it's just not worth it. But what if I told you there was a software program out there that could overcome all of these challenges? A program that's intuitive, easy to use, and affordable? That program is Edius 11, and I'm excited to show you how it can help you create some amazing music beats. One of the things I love about Edius 11 is its effects library. It's got everything from classic reverb and delay to more advanced effects like distortion and compression. And the best part is, they're all super easy to use. You can just drag and drop them into your project, and you're good to go. Another great feature of Edius 11 is its sample library. It's got a huge collection of high-quality samples, from drums and basses to synths and orchestral instruments. And again, they're all super easy to use. You can just browse through the library, find the sample you want, and drag it into your project. Edius 11 also has some amazing tools for beat making. It's got a built-in drum machine, a bass synthesizer, and even a chord generator. And the best part is, they're all integrated seamlessly into the interface, so you can access them with just a few clicks. Okay, enough talk, let's actually make a beat using Edius 11. First, I'm going to start by creating a new project and setting up the tempo and time signature. Then, I'll start adding in some drums using the built-in drum machine. I'll experiment with different patterns and rhythms until I find one I like. Next, I'll add in some bass using the bass synthesizer. I'll tweak the settings until I get a sound I'm happy with, and then I'll start adding in some melody using the chord generator. I'll experiment with different chord progressions until I find one that works. Finally, I'll add in some effects to give the track some depth and interest. I'll use some reverb to give the drum some space, and some delay to add some texture to the melody. And that's it, I've got a finished track. In conclusion, Edius 11 is an incredibly powerful tool for music production. It's easy to use, affordable, and has a ton of amazing features that can help you create some amazing music beats. Whether you're a seasoned producer or just starting out, Edius 11 is definitely worth checking out. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you've got any thoughts or experiences with Edius 11, be sure to leave them in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about music production, be sure to check out my next video on music production tips.